where my chocolate at?
That's how long ago. Oh, there's no map. All right, so let's see. You were here. What did in 7 minutes?
Hershey unwrapped. Today's backstage at 4:15.
Find out?
Original plans. Look, Carol, that's you. In the blue.
So a lot of things was after we came.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, hello.
Oh, that's crystal. Right?
That's good too. I like that.
1989.
You go crazy. I came here with Crystal was a little girl, and I came with J. Josh, and now we're coming here with Mason and Andrew.
I'll be the test that we do that.
You have to buy the big ones for the elevator.
Yeah. I'm curious if they have different flavors.
$5 per car?
morning. Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Sounds like Barney.
Yeah. Hi, Mason.
Hey, boys.
Wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans to large cleaning machines and screen and thoroughly dilute unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine into various hundreds in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Ecuador.
I think it was Colombia.
It was Ecuador.
There's the grill. Hey.
Because of the light.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years.
Getting a bathroom.
Milling machines
yeah.
generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. kind of the next step in the process.
The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds.
Seated at all times during the tour.
Thank you. And send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Whoa, this is cool.
Oh, that's why they tell you to stay on your right, stay seated.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Let Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark colors.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Is M&M Hershey? No. M&M is part of Coca-Cola, I believe. Mars? Mars. Okay. Yeah.
Looks like our packages are ready to go. And I have a visual too. If you're interested in taking your time today, remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Shipping department.
Alright, hold on, this is the pool.
Smile for your picture, guys. We gotta leave it here.
Everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1, Hershey's.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Is there a drop or that drop?
Oh, they make Jolly Ranchers too. They have a lot of good stuff.
Yeah. M&M's factory in Hackettstown, New Jersey. Look it up.
Your favorite.
See, today I learned something. Twizzler is part of Hershey's. I didn't know that.
Well, now you know the hard work.
Oh,
joy
well,
that goes
thank
into
you.
making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Yeah.
Please remain seated until the door opens and
That
watch
was
your
weird.
step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate
Hell, that's
World.
true.
So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Hey! Oh, the milkshakes are over there.
Do you want yes or no, J-Dub?
Yes? Okay, so we gotta get in line.
Okay. There it comes.
Goes.
Here. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Slimy. Awesome. Thank you, ma'am.
Or Josh, can you take a picture? Sorry.
Cheers, my lady.
Yes. Go.